So lesson 11.4, multiplying and dividing rational expressions. This is the second part and finishing up the lessons. This one is a dimensional analysis problem, and it's where you're changing from a particular rate to another rate, and you're converting between different measurements. So this one is changing 46 feet per second into miles per hour. So what you have to know is all of those conversions between feet and miles and seconds and hours, and those are just kind of common knowledge things that you would be expected to know. But this is kind of how you do it. You think of the idea of how things cancel from top to bottom, what we were just doing, okay? How we cancel things from top to bottom. So this is right now feet on top and seconds on the bottom, okay? And we want it to end up with miles on the top and hours on the bottom. That's something that you might not think too much about, but that's what you're going for. So we need feet to go away and miles to end up on top. So this very first fraction here, I'm going to put feet on the bottom so it cancels out, and put miles on the top. Question, Ethan? So, Ethan, how many feet are in a mile? 5,280. This is where that information goes. You write the conversion from feet to miles there. And 1 mile is 5,280 feet. And what you're canceling out are not any numbers right now. It's the feet and the feet. So right now, with those numbers, if I multiplied or divided, whatever you need to do, in this case it would be divide. Right now I'd be miles per second, because that's what units are left there. But we don't want miles per second, we want miles per hour, so I'm going to go from seconds to minutes. So since seconds are on the bottom right now, I'm going to put seconds on the top, because they'll cancel out, and I can convert from seconds to minutes. And what is the conversion from seconds to minutes, Octavia?
60 seconds is 1 minute.
60 seconds is 1 minute. And I don't cancel out any numbers right now. I'm canceling out the units, so seconds cancel with seconds. So if I stopped right there, it would be miles per what? Minute. Well, I got to go one step further, because I want miles per hour. So in my last fraction, I'm going to put minutes on top, because I need the minutes to cancel out. And what am I going to put on the bottom? Hours. You get what you see how I'm coming up with these? And what is the conversion between minutes and hours? 60 minutes per 1 hour. So I cancel out the units, and lo and behold, I look and see what units are left that aren't canceled out, and it's miles per hour. Now this is how this works. In my calculator, I would start with 46. Any number on the top in a numerator would be a multiplication, and any number in the denominator would be a division. And you can do this in one long problem. So this is what you would punch in. If you guys got calculators, this is what I want you to punch in. 46 divided by 5,280 times 60 times 60. What did it tell you? 31.3636, and so on. We're going to round to the nearest tenth. And so we would say 31.4 miles per hour.
Could you also just go ahead and multiply all the numerators across? And then
Yeah, you could. You could.
That?
Yeah, you could go ahead and multiply all the numerators across and then go do all the divisions, however it works out. Absolutely. All right, questions about this dimensional analysis? Yes?
Is Would you say that number 21 is that exact thing?
Okay, if there's, well, hang on, is there a question anymore about that question, number 5? In particular? No? Okay.